Welcome to this detailed tutorial on product pricing strategies. Pricing plays a crucial role in the success of a product, and understanding the intricacies of pricing strategies is essential for product managers. In this tutorial, we will dive into various pricing strategies, including value-based pricing, dynamic pricing, freemium models, and more. We'll discuss factors to consider when setting prices, pricing optimization techniques, and share case studies of successful pricing strategies. Section 1: Importance of pricing in product management. Discuss the significance of pricing as a strategic element in product management. Explain how pricing impacts profitability, market positioning, customer perception, and overall business success. Section 2: Factors to consider in pricing. Discuss key factors that influence pricing decisions, such as production costs, customer demand, competition, and value perception. Explore the concept of price elasticity and its impact on demand and revenue. Highlight the importance of market research, customer insights, and competitor analysis in setting optimal prices. Section 3: Value-based pricing. Explain the value-based pricing approach and its focus on the perceived value of a product to customers. Discuss techniques for identifying and quantifying the value proposition of a product. Provide insights on effectively communicating the value of your product to customers and justifying premium pricing. Section 4: Dynamic pricing. Introduce dynamic pricing as a strategy that adjusts prices based on real-time market conditions, customer behavior, and demand. Discuss dynamic pricing techniques such as surge pricing, time-based pricing, and personalized pricing. Share case studies of companies successfully implementing dynamic pricing strategies. Section 5: Freemium and pricing tiers. Explore the freemium pricing model and its effectiveness in acquiring customers and driving conversion. Discuss the concept of pricing tiers and the benefits of offering different packages or plans to cater to diverse customer segments. Share insights on how to design and optimize freemium and pricing tier structures to maximize revenue and customer satisfaction. Section 6: Pricing optimization techniques. Introduce pricing optimization as a continuous process of refining prices based on data and market insights. Discuss techniques such as price testing, bundling, and discount strategies. Explore the use of data analysis, A/B testing, and customer segmentation to inform pricing decisions. Section 7: Successful pricing strategy case studies. Present case studies of companies that have implemented successful pricing strategies, highlighting their approach, challenges, and outcomes. Analysis different pricing strategies employed across industries and their impact on customer adoption and revenue growth. Extract actionable insights from these case studies to guide product managers in developing effective pricing strategies for their products. Conclusion. Congratulations! You have completed this comprehensive tutorial on product pricing strategies. By understanding the factors to consider in pricing, exploring various strategies such as value-based pricing, dynamic pricing, and freemium models, and learning about pricing optimization techniques, you are equipped to make informed pricing decisions that drive business success. Drawing inspiration from successful pricing strategy case studies, adapt and tailor strategies to your specific product and target market. Remember to continually evaluate and refine your pricing approach based on market dynamics and customer feedback. Best of luck in your product pricing endeavors.